Okay, good morning, students. Again, I'm going to start with the arithmetic progressions. Second exercise, fourth problem. Which term of an AP, sorry, okay, which term of an AP 3, comma 8, comma 13, comma 18 is 78? So, here very carefully observe this one. What they have given? Here. Which term of an AP 3, comma 8, comma 13, comma 18 is 78? They have given. Here, what you have to do? Solution. A n is equal to a plus n minus is the formula. So here, first what you have to write? A is equal to what? A they have given it as 3. First term is what? 3. So a is equal to 3. And difference between these two numbers is what? 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 is the difference. So d is equal to 5. And next, what you have to find out? 78. Which term is 78? Therefore they have not given the n value. Therefore they have given the an is equal to 78. So somehow the nth term of an AP is 78, but we have to find out which is that nth term. So first of all, what are you going to do? It put the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. So we are going to substitute the values for this one. So here difference we are finding it as second digit minus first digit, it will become 5, and the first number is 5 3. Therefore a is equal to 3, an is equal to 78, and n is equal to question mark. So we have to find out the n. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 is the formula. So in the place of an we are going to write it as 78. In the place of a we are going to write it as 3. N minus 1 into d, difference is what? Difference is what? 5. So we will write it as it is, as the formula is there. We will substitute the values, then we are going to solve this one. So multiply 5 into n, it will become 5n. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Therefore 70 as it is we have written it, 3 as it is we have written, and therefore here 3 minus 5, what it will become? It will become minus 2. If we send this minus to that side, what will happen? 78 plus 2, it will become 80. Therefore 80, 5 into n is there, therefore into sign is there. If you bring this 5 this side, it will become in the denominator. We have to write it in the denominator. It will become 80 divided by 5. 80 divided by 5 means what? It will become n is equal to 16. Therefore the 16th number is 78. So therefore in this given number 16th number is 78. Before writing this one, you have to write these substituted values here. This one you have to write it carefully, or otherwise you are going to miss this one. This one is a very important thing. Okay, which value they have given there, which value we have to find out that one. First we have to write it properly, then only we can find the problem very easily. Next we will go to the next fifth question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Find the number of terms in each of the following arithmetic progression. So first of all, what they given? First term a they have given, second term they have given it as 13. 13 minus 7 means what is the difference? Difference is 6. A they have given, difference they have given, an 205 they have given. Okay, an means last term they have given, we will write it as an is equal to 205. So same thing as the previous one, we will use the formula here. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 205, a is what? 7, n we don't know, we have to find out how many numbers they are asking, so we have to find out the value of n, and the difference is what? 6. So this is the first step. Next, multiply the 6 into n, 6n, 6 into minus 1, minus 6. 7 minus 6 is what? Plus 1. 205. From here also we are writing as it is. So now we are going to bring this, send this 1 to this side, so left hand side. It will become 205 minus 1. It means 205 minus 1 means 204. In the next step, what will happen? 205 minus 1 means what? 204. N 6n is equal to 204 is there. Next step, if you send this 6 this side, it will become divided by 6. 204 divided by 6 is what? 34. So total numbers, how many numbers are there here? 34 numbers. So we'll go to the second one, second sub questions. Here, also. So in the second sub question, what they given? First term as 18, second term as 15 and half, third term as 13, next one minus 47. Then the number is going to sorry, number is in the decreasing order. So first number is what? A is what? 18. So difference, what you have to find out? To find the difference, what you will do? A2 minus A1, it will become 15 and half minus 18. If you are going to do this one, what's the difference here? Minus 5 by 2 is the difference. D is equal to minus 5 by 2. A already we know that one. A is the first term, it is 18. An last term is what? Minus 47. Here also we have to find out the value of n. So substitute these values. Minus 47 equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into d. It means a plus n minus 1 into d. Here what we are getting? Minus 47 is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into difference is minus 5 by 2. So multiply this minus 5 by 2 to both n and minus 1. Here minus 5 by 2 into n, minus 5 by 2 n, minus 5 by 2 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, and 5 by 2. Now take LCM here. What's the denominator here? 2 is there. Both the number is having denominator as 2. Here also we have to write it as 2. It means you have to multiply this 2, 18 into 2. 18 into 2 is what? 36. 36 minus 5 n plus 5 divided by 2. Send this to this side, to the left hand side. It means it is in the denominator, it will go into the numerator. It means in the multiplication sign, with multiplication sign, it will become minus 47 into 2 minus 94 is equal to 41 minus 5n. How it became 41? Here look at here, 36 plus 5 is the 36 plus 5 is what? 41. Now next, let's send this 41 this side. What will happen? Minus 49 minus 94 is there already. If you send this plus 41 to the left hand side, it will become minus 41. Both the number is having minus sign, that therefore you have to add these two numbers. After adding these two numbers, it will become minus 135. So both the side is having minus, so you have to multiply it by minus, so it will become plus 5n equal to plus 135. Therefore in the last step, 5 you have to send, this 5 you have to send to right hand side. It will become 135 divided by 5. It means n is equal to 27. How many numbers are there here? There are 27 numbers. So next, okay, another one, sixth question, we will see it here. Here what they given: check whether the minus 150 is a term of an AP or not. Okay, minus 150 is a term of AP or not. So how we are going to find out? Solution: an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here minus 150 is there. Here first of all we have to check that one. A is equal to what? 11. Difference is equal to what? Minus 3. It means number is decreasing. 11 to 8 it has came, so therefore it is decreasing. So a is equal to 11, they have written it here also. Difference is what? Minus 3. An is equal to 150. N number you have to find out. So here n, the answer must come in the, come as a natural number, not in the decimal forms. Decimal forms, if the answer is coming in the decimal form, it is a not 150 is a 150 is not the term of this given series. If it is coming in the normal numbers, it means natural numbers. It is 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 10 20 30. It must not come as 1.2 1.3 1.4. Okay, first of all we are going to put the value here. A n is what? Minus 150 is equal to a 11 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? Minus 3. So multiply this one. Minus 3 minus into plus, minus 3 into n, 3n, minus into minus, plus 3 into 1, 3. Next what will happen? Minus 150 is equal to 14 minus 3n. 14, how it become 14? 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Now send this 14 that side, it will become minus 150. Already minus 150 is there. Again if you bring that bring this plus 14 to left hand side, it will become minus 14. Again here both is having minus, therefore it will, you have to add these two numbers, it will become minus 164. Next, what is there here? You have to bring this 3 this side. So and one more thing, both the side is having minus sign, so you have to cancel this minus sign here. Okay, you can cancel this minus sign, or otherwise you have to multiply both the side by minus. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, it will happen. Next, n is equal to 164 divided by 3. So above number is not completely divisible by 3. Therefore 150 is not the term, no, is not a term of the given AP. Therefore if you divide this one, what will happen? 3 ones are 3, 5 is 15, 1 is there here, it will become 14. 3 4s are 12 point something answer will come. Okay, 3 6 54.6 something answer will come. Therefore 54.6, the number we can't take it as a 54.6. Therefore the given minus 150 is not the term of the given AP. Okay, thank you students.